Is it time to buy or sell Visionwave Holdings stock? In this video, we will explore Visionwave Holdings in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Take advantage of AI technology and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please be aware that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 15th of October, 2025, our system has ranked Visionwave Holdings as a strong buy candidate, awarding it a score of 7.53. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced an impressive gain of 10.89% since we initially designated Visionwave Holdings as a buy candidate just 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 5.45% per day, since it was classified as a strong buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 57.37% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 10.59% to 115.22%. Our latest daily update for Visionwave Holdings includes the headline: Volatile ride for Visionwave Holdings Incorporated stock price on Thursday, moving between $10.76 and $11.99. The Visionwave Holdings Incorporated stock price gained 10.89% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 16th of October, 2025, rising from $10.74 to $11.91. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.43%, from a low of $10.76 to a high of $11.99. The price has experienced ups and downs during this period, and there has been a 29.53% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day, along with the price, a positive technical sign, with 136,000 more shares traded than the day before. In total, 338,000 shares were bought and sold for approximately $4,030,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $12.59, while the lowest was $2.06. Currently, the price is 5.40%, or 68 cents, below the 52-week high of $12.59, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Visionwave Holdings has made significant strides that have transformed the company from a speculative technology venture into a more established entity. In the middle of October, the company announced the formation of an advisory board aimed at enhancing corporate governance and transparency. Additionally, it was included in the S&P Total Market Index and revealed a strategic collaboration in artificial intelligence with a company based in Tel Aviv called PVML. These announcements followed a paid pilot project with a leading U.S. defense contractor, a successful live-fire trial of its EI-Tech 4D radar in the United Arab Emirates, a strategic memorandum of understanding in India, a notable joint venture with AIPX, and recent filings for intellectual property, news that coincided with a significant rise in the stock price over recent months. In the short term, inclusion in the S&P index, improvements in governance, and paid pilot projects typically enhance liquidity and stimulate renewed purchasing activity as institutions and funds adjust their holdings. Positive outcomes from trials and pilot projects can lead to further rallies driven by new contracts. In the long term, consistent revenue relies on converting pilot projects and memoranda of understanding into production contracts, safeguarding intellectual property, and achieving large-scale delivery. Strategic partnerships and reliable artificial intelligence capabilities facilitate sustained entry into the defense market. However, execution, program timelines, and potential regulatory or procurement challenges remain critical risks to consider. Analysts have assigned Visionwave Holdings stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Visionwave Holdings. There are mostly positive signals in the chart today. Visionwave Holdings Incorporated holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, contributing to a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present due to the short-term average being above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $10.39 and $9.97. A breakdown below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, the 7th of October, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 54.27%. Further increases are expected until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, buy signal 8 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 2 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 9 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Visionwave Holdings. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $11.50 and $9.55. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaking this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Visionwave Holdings Inc. finds support just below today's level at $11. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $9.55 and $9.07. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is regarded as high risk. During the previous day, the stock fluctuated by $1.23 between its high and low, which is an increase of 11.43%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 12.75%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Visionwave Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, suggesting that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, it may be beneficial to enter a position and use volume to decide when to exit. On the downside, Visionwave Holdings encounters its first support level at $11. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.47, reflecting a decline of 3.7%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Notably, there is a buy signal indicated by a pivot bottom that was identified 7 days ago. Is Visionwave Holdings stock a good buy? Visionwave Holdings Inc. exhibits several positive signals and is currently experiencing a strong upward trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable option at this time, with expectations of further gains over the next 3 months. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After assessing the volatility and movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 17th of October, we anticipate Visionwave Holdings will open lower by 357 thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $11.55. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.